Today, a fearless crew barrels into a sunny park for an unfiltered ride of outrageous dares and candid reactions. From swapping snacks with strangers to attempting viral dance moves mid-chill, every moment bursts with spontaneous chaos and genuine laughs. We flip the camera to keep things real, admit mistakes, and hype each other up after a wobbling high five. All outrageous stunts stay lighthearted with goofy sound effects and a tiny prize for the bravest compliment to a passerby. If you crave friendly chaos, subscribe and ride along as we chase laughs and prove days feel cinematic.